listening, and practice. Welcome speech for chief guest by the principal at Annual Day. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, respected teachers, dear students and parents, a very warm welcome to each one of you to our Annual Day celebration, a day that holds immense significance in the life of our institution. It is indeed an honor and a privilege to have all of you here, gracing this occasion with your presence. Today, as we gather here, we are not just celebrating another year gone by. We are celebrating the relentless pursuit of excellence, the spirit of learning, and the collective achievements of our school community. Before we proceed further, I would like to take a moment to extend our heartfelt gratitude to our distinguished chief guest for taking time out of their busy schedule to be with us today. Your presence here is a source of inspiration and motivation for all of us, and we are truly honored by your gracious presence. Ladies and gentlemen, a school's annual day is not just a day of festivities and cultural performances, but a day that encapsulates the essence of our institution. It is a day when we showcase not only the talents of our students but also the values, ideals, and principles that we stand for. Our annual day is a reflection of the hard work, dedication, and passion that our teachers and students invest throughout the year, striving for excellence in every sphere of education and personal development. This year's theme, Empowering Minds, Enriching Lives, resonates deeply with the ethos of our institution. Education is not merely about the transfer of knowledge, it is about nurturing young minds, fostering critical thinking, and imparting values that prepare our students to be responsible global citizens. It is about enriching lives by equipping our students with the skills and competencies needed to face the challenges of the modern world, while upholding the timeless principles of integrity, empathy, and compassion. In today's rapidly changing world, where advancements in technology and communication are transforming the way we live and work, it is imperative that education evolves to keep pace with these changes. At our school, we believe in providing holistic education that goes beyond textbooks and examinations. We focus on nurturing the innate talents of our students, fostering their creativity, and instilling in them a love for learning that extends beyond the classroom. Our teachers, who serve as beacons of knowledge and mentors to our students, play a pivotal role in shaping the future of our students. Their unwavering dedication, commitment, and passion for teaching inspire our students to dream big and strive for excellence. We are immensely grateful for their tireless efforts in nurturing young minds and guiding them towards success. Dear students, you are the heartbeat of our institution, and your achievements fill us with pride and joy. As you showcase your talents today, remember that each step you take on this stage is a testament to your hard work and determination. You are the future leaders, innovators, and change-makers, and we believe in your potential to create a better world. Embrace every opportunity, challenge yourselves, and continue to strive for greatness with the same enthusiasm and spirit that you demonstrate today. Parents, your unwavering support and partnership in your child's education are invaluable. Your encouragement, guidance, and love provide the foundation upon which our students build their dreams. Your presence here today is a testament to your commitment to their growth and development, and we extend our deepest gratitude for entrusting us with your child's education. Finally, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest once again for gracing this occasion with their presence. Your accomplishments and journey serve as an inspiration to us all, and we are honored to have you as a part of our celebration. As we move forward with our festivities, let us remember that education is a journey, not a destination. Let us continue to work together, hand in hand, to empower minds and enrich lives, shaping a future that is bright, inclusive, and sustainable. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you, and I hope you enjoy the wonderful performances that our students have prepared for you. Thank you, and let the celebrations begin.